One of the things I always hear from people is how they appreciate the consistency of Yaqeen's content, whether it is the weekly series or Ramadan or Dhul Hijjah or the podcasts or the papers or the curriculum units. You can always come back to Yaqeen, walhamdulillah rabbil alameen, and find consistent, free, quality content. And the only thing that is changing is that the quality is getting better, walhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Now, I want you to think about what Yaqeen has meant to you and to your family. And the fact that, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, we never monetize any of this, and we are trying to reach as many people as possible and as deeply as possible, inshallah ta'ala, so that they can truly have certainty in their hearts. When you join the Yaqeen Sustainers Club, you are a part of that consistency. You're a part of making sure that Yaqeen can continue to churn out the resources that are necessary for you, for your family, for your community, and the world, inshallah ta'ala, to have firm faith and belief in this deen. Whether it's $1 or $5 or $10 or $20 or $200 or $500, whatever it is that you give on a recurring basis, inshallah ta'ala, will allow us to continue to grow our resources and only get better bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, and hopefully bring us all closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Join the Sustainers Club today, inshallah ta'ala, with any amount. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you on behalf of all those whom you will help. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.